Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Wave's weekly Forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your likes and comments. They are pushing us to give you more and more every single time. By now, all of you know that on the 26th of December and the 2nd of January, there won't be any weekly Forex forecast on YouTube due to holidays. So I will see all of you on the 9th of January. But regarding the Sunday sessions, they will continue as usual on every week. In this video, we will explain you 5 truths about Forex trading that will help you to succeed in 2021. We will share with you our Forex forecast for more than 15 pairs, and you can find the rest of them and a lot more on our website. During the video, we will give you some Forex trading tips and advices to help you build the right mindset. This is very important, guys, in this business. Building the right mindset. So, 1. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. To succeed, you must treat your account as a business. 2. Without knowledge, you can't succeed. So do not follow anyone blindly, even us, and try to learn as much as you can. This is how you can build your knowledge. 3. Your goal must be to make consistent money. And as per Mark Douglas, do not think in a trade-by-trade basis. You have to think in a series of trades basis. 4. You have to understand that you are working with probabilities. And there is nothing called 100% in this business. 5. Do not over-risk and overtrade. And never ever add to a losing position. If you apply, guys, number 5 in 2021, you will never lose your Forex trading account. If you focus on reducing and minimizing your losses, your wins will take care of themselves. Now, if you think that our videos are helping you with your trading, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Keep watching till the end, we have a lot to cover. DXY, for this one, dollar is still under pressure. We were expecting market to go up, it went up, gave us a small corrective structure. This was a contracting structure and then it dropped. Those who were in the buy, you must have get out for break even or small loss. Your worst case scenario, guys, in all the cases, it should be small loss only. Now, what next and what we will do? We are not in the sell and we will look for our buy setups again. We know that this buy setup, guys, it might be only a corrective structure similar to this one, and then one more push down. We are only focusing on our buy setups. This was a big downtrend, and this trend is about to end. For now, buy setups. After this up wave, we will see if we will get any sell setup, we can go for it. After this sell setup, guys, upside again. Like I said, this corrective structure, it might be a bit bigger, similar to this one, and then a down move to follow. This down wave, guys, we will ignore it at the moment. Any drop from these levels, we will not go for it. We are only looking for our buy setups. And this wave will push all the majors to make a down move next week and the week after. Euro dollar, for this one, we said last week this is a corrective structure. We can still see one more push up. We were waiting a down wave here to go for this buy setup. Instead, market went up without us. What next for euro dollar? We are expecting a corrective structure similar to this one. So for now, we are biased to the downside, and some of us are already in the sell. If any one of you is in the sell, manage your trade. We are expecting market to make a down move. This down wave, it will be corrective and then upside after that. For now, we are focusing on our sell setups, and this is the wave that we can see. After this down wave, we will update you later on. More details regarding the structure and why we are expecting those waves will be discussed on our Sunday session. Regarding the Sunday sessions, guys, it's a live 1.5 to 2 hours session where we cover the YouTube and the website pairs in details and what structure might perform. This will help you more with your trading. So more than 40 Forex pairs are covered. And we also cover commodities, cryptos, indices, and if you have any question about any stock, we will help you with that. In these sessions, you can ask us questions live. And those sessions are recorded. So if you cannot attend them live, We will send you the recording to your email every Sunday at 6 p.m. UK time. All of this is for $12 only. Pound dollar for this one, you remember this down wave, right? We posted this one in our community tab, Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook. So we were forecasting this down wave, market went down. And we said last week, we can see that pound dollar will make an up move and potentially it will break this top. This is what happened. If anyone of you guys is in this buy, move your stops to profits. You can take more than 70% off and leave the rest at break even. Why we are saying that? Structurally, market can make one more push up again to break this top. This forecast is not for trading. This forecast is for those who are in the sell to move your stops to break even and let the market unfold. What we are expecting next for pound dollar, we are expecting a corrective structure and then one more push down. And this might turn out to be a long-term trade. For now, we can see this down wave here and we'll update you later on. All our traders who are in from here, manage your trade. Those who would like to see our before and after, you can go to our community tab here on our YouTube channel. If you scroll down, we posted all those charts only this week. This was pound dollar forecast. Like I always say, no one can be right 100%. We are not pretending to be right all the times. Your job should be to maximize your profits when you are right and minimize your losses when you are wrong in your forecast. All of this needs knowledge, experience, and correct mindset. Trade your own plan and trade your own system. Aussie dollar for this one, market is pushing up and up. We are not buyers here. We will be looking for our sell setups only. Like I said, we are expecting all the major pairs to make a down move next week and the week after. So for Aussie dollar, any buy setup we'll ignore and any up wave will be the potential last up move. And remember this, for this one, this will not be the reversal. This will be a corrective structure similar to this one and then one more push up. This is what we can see for all those pairs. In all the cases, we are focusing on our sell setups from here or from here. Any buy setup we see, we might ignore. If our plan and our strategy says to us you should sell, we will sell. Win or loss, we will take the sell. I'm trying guys to explain you how we think and how we act. This will help you to build the right mindset. Dollar yen for this one, market went down and we broke this low. The way market was going to the upside, we do not like it. This is why we were waiting market to make one more push down to break this low and then we'll be going to the upside again. This up wave is not the reversal. This up wave guys, it will be going up to break this top, complete another structure and then one more push down after that. Breaking this low was not a surprise for us because the way market was going to the upside from here, it's not how we wanted to move. So we knew from here that market will push the downside, break this low, and then we'll go to the upside again. If anyone of you is in the buy, manage your trade. The structure here guys has changed. For what? For one more push up, one more move down, and then up again. Those are levels guys that we watch. And inside those levels, we have patterns that we know. More details about the structure and the patterns here will be discussed on our Sunday session. In Forex trading, you have to be selective. You should know what pair you should trade, what setup, what time frame, and what time. Try to take notes guys about those hints and study them. New Zealand dollar for this one, you know that we are biased to the downside. Any push up we'll ignore it and we'll go for any sell setup. Structure is almost ready for the down wave. So any sell setup we see, we will go for it. Worst case scenario, small loss. Once you master guys how to manage your losses and minimize them, your profits will take care of themselves. Sometimes we go for 10 to 1, 15 to 1 trades. So this means if you are risking 1%, you can make 15% in only one single trade. Yes, all for this one, market is pushing up. We are waiting 50 levels. T is explaining for you on Sunday sessions why 50 levels. After that, we will be looking for our sell setups, and this will be a bigger corrective structure. This down wave, guys, will be a corrective structure. This means after this down wave, upside again. Those who are trading US oil, wait your sell setups from these levels, 49 and 50. Those who are investing, move your stops in the direction of your trade. And do not forget this rule. Your stop loss should be moved only in the direction of your trade. Coming back to US oil, we are expecting market to give us a bigger corrective structure downwards. After this corrective structure, up again. Gold, for this one, we were waiting market to give us a bigger corrective structure. Instead, it gave us this small one and then it should back up. We are expecting gold to make one more push up and then to start another down wave. If you are not in, stay away. Wait this up wave and then you can look for your sell setups if you get your sell setup. The structure is in the making. And for now, we are in the middle. Those who are still in this buy, move your stops and manage your trade. And as you all know, on the 26th of December and the 2nd of January, there won't be any weekly Forex forecast on YouTube due to holidays. So if you would like to attend Sunday sessions, subscribe to our in-depth analysis service. All the details are on our website. Always, always guys, pay attention to the bigger picture. This is where the money is. Pound yen, for this one, we said last week, we can see all pound pairs, they will move to the upside. And this one also went up. We forecasted this down wave and we forecasted this up wave. Those who are in the buy, move your stops. We are expecting pound yen to make one more push up to break this top and then we will update you. For now, we are still biased to the upside. Also this one, it's posted in our community tab. We said market moved to the downside and then up again. Market went down and it's here at the moment. Coming back to pound yen, we are expecting one more push up. If you are not in, do not buy it from here. Only those who are in the buy, you move your stops and you manage your trade. After this up wave guys, a potential big drop will be coming. Dollar CAD, for this one, this trend is about to end. Do not jump in. Every time you get a buy setup, you go for it. Market is going to the upside. If you are in the buy, move your stops to break even. Any new low will be the last low before move to the upside again. Manage your trade and do not close it. If market will make this up wave and then one more drop, we will not be selling this one. We will be looking only for our buy setups. This up wave guys, it will be going up to break this top. So this is the wave that we are waiting for. Euro yen, for this one, the structure was completed here and then it went back up. This was a corrective structure and the market starts to go up again. What we are expecting next for Euro yen, if you are in the buy, take more than 80% off and leave the rest at break even. We are expecting market to make one more push up and then we'll update you. For now, we are still biased to the upside. This buy setup guys, we will not take it and we will not buy Euro yen from here. If market will push to the upside, those who are in the buy, you will take advantage of this. Those who are not in, leave it and focus on other pairs. Pound Oz, for this one, market went up. After this up wave, we are starting a corrective structure. Now, for this one, we can see that market will make a correction here, one more push up, and then we'll update you. This up wave guys, potentially it can go up to break this top one more time, the previous one. Or else, this will be a complete structure similar to this one, and then one more drop. So it's not, it can go up or it can go down. For us, we are biased to the upside. And before we say it's up or it's down, there's a lot of hard work that it's done hindsight. Once market will go to the upside and reach this level, we will see. If this is a complete structure for us, we'll be looking for our sell setups one more time. If not, those who will be in the buy, they will take profits or they will move stops to break even. Anyway, for this one, we are moving to the upside. This is what we can see next for this pair. Do not jump in, trade your own plan, and trade your own system. Regarding the bigger picture and what is the pattern for this one, T will explain this for you on Sunday. And here is a tip for all of you. After you get a streak of wins or a big win, take a break. Because a big win or streak of wins will affect your psychology. You will be overconfident, you will shift from the plan, and you will click the trades every time you look at the charts. After you get a big win or streak of wins, take a break. Pound New Zealand, we hope all of you who trade this pair are in this buy. Market went up, we are expecting now a correction and then another push up. If you are in the buy, move your stops. If you are not in, wait this corrective structure to finish and then you go for the next buy setup. Aussie Swiss, we hope all of you are in this trade. Market went up, gave us a corrective structure and it went back up. What we can see next for Aussie Swiss, we can see a corrective structure and one more push up. We can see that this up wave is not finished as yet. So if you are buying, move your stops to break even or to profits. So this means no matter what the market will do, your worst case scenario, it will be small profits. And all of you guys, you know the 4 outcomes that you should get after you click a trade. Only 4 outcomes: small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Regarding Aussie Swiss, if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also this one, we posted the before and after on our community tab. From here we said corrective structure, market made the corrective structure. And from here we said up, market went up. And also as you can see here, we updated you and we said if you get in this trade, take profits or take partial profits and move the rest to break even. Why we are saying that? Because we can see a corrective structure and one more push up. If you move the rest at break even, this will be an advantage for you. And if you took profits, this is great. You made profits. In Forex trading, you have to be positive. So as example, if you took profits and market went 1000 pips in your direction, don't be sad. Think about the profits, you made profits. You lost the opportunity, but you made money. What I'm trying to explain you here, you have to be positive. And positivity, guys, will help you a lot to take right decisions. Aussie New Zealand, how many of you guys remember this forecast? We said from here upside, market went up. We said correction up, market made corrective structure, and up again. If you are in this buy, move your stops. We are expecting market to make an up wave and break this top. Now, a small hint regarding this one, corrective structures can break tops and bottoms. That doesn't mean you should not sell it if you are looking for sell setups. But just be careful about this point. Corrective structure can break tops and bottoms. So, what next for this one? Correction, one more push up. This up wave, guys, it will be going up to break this top. This is what we can see. Those who are in the buy already, just move your stops. And those who are not in, do not buy it from here. Wait market to give you a clear corrective structure before you go for the next buy setup. If market push to the upside from here, do not buy it. This is not your trade. CAD yen, for this one, we hope all of you are in this trade. We said we are expecting market to go down to these levels or these levels. If you remember this, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Most of our traders who trade CAD yen are in this sell. Some of them took profits and some of them are still in. And like I said, it's always good to take partial profits. If market here turns out to be a corrective structure and then one more push up, your worst case scenario will be for those who are still in the sell is break even. Anyway, we are biased to the downside. If market push to the upside here, we will not buy this one. Until we see a great buy setup, we will not going for this buy. If market push to the upside, this means this will turn out to be a bigger and complex corrective structure. For now, it's still simple. If we get a small correction, potentially one more drop. After that, we'll be going to the upside again. We are reading, guys, inside this structure. And wave analysis says to us here that markets will go to the downside. And market went down. Anyway, those who are in, you know how to manage your trade. And those who are not in, leave it, or if you get a buy setup, you might go for this buy. Risk small and trade as per your own plan. Swiss yen, also for this one, if you are in the sell, manage your trade. This down wave, guys, might turn out to be a bigger corrective structure and then upside after that. Those who are not in, leave it. We are expecting all yen pairs to start an up move. So those who were in the sell for those pairs, you can take profits or manage your trade. Silver, for this one, we said this is investment. We are waiting this to complete this corrective structure. One more push down, and from 20 levels, we'll invest. If market will not give us this level, we won't be investing in this one. Some of us are already in from here, and if market gave us these levels, we will invest in other accounts from here. Now is the time for the Forex Trading Tip. In Forex trading, you have to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself and have passion to be a successful Forex trader, no one can stop you. And let me tell you one thing here. If we can do it, you can do it. If you want to be a successful trader and you work smartly to achieve your goal, you will achieve your goal. You can do it. We are not saying it's easy, but it's doable, and you can do it. With that note, from We Trade Waves, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a successful New Year. Trade with care, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, stay safe, and see all of you on the 9th of January.